Let's make some mac and cheese the quick and easy way. This way it's nice and creamy and it's crusty at the top and not a lot of time. That's right, we have Deluxe by Kraft mac and cheese. It's 4 cheeses. We're going to go on and boil the water, and we're going to make this per the box instructions. As you see, we have a packet of a creamy cheese, and we have the macaroni noodles that I'm going to go on and pour into the boiling water. Now, some of you guys would like to rinse yours off before you do that, so that's fine. Sometimes I do mine after the fact. Now we're going to go ahead, and it's already been drained. So now we're going to add the cheese packet. And I just cut it. And now I'm just, takes a little second to get it out. Now the secret ingredient is sour cream. I'm using Daisy sour cream. You can use whatever brand you want, but this all makes it extra creamy inside. There we go. And what we're going to do is we're going to go on and blend that by folding it over or flipping it over. You don't want to be too rugged or harsh with it because you'll tear your noodles, and you don't want to do that, or your pasta. I don't know why I always say noodles. But see, there you go. Oops, dropped some of it. That's all right. But remember, this is a very quick and easy method. Okay, we're going to add a little seasoning to it. So I have Old Bay seasoning, black pepper, and I also have parsley flakes. I love adding that because it just makes it have a little more color, and adding a little seasoning makes it taste good. Great for when you want something really quick. It's just you and somebody else. You don't have a lot of people to cook for. It's not the holidays, but you still want something tasty. Okay, I have an 8-inch pan here. It's a little deep, and I'm going to spray it with olive oil so it won't stick. And now I'm going to take it out and get it all in there. It's a lot. And I'm going to go ahead and kind of spread it around, flatten it out a little bit, because after I do that, I'm going to want to add even more cheese to it. And I'm also going to add the wonderful parsley flakes on top of it. Okay, so what I have is Monterey Jack cheese that we are going to spread or sprinkle on top, and then we'll even it out. And then I'm also going to add Colby Jack. Now these are cubes, but and I don't know why I have such a tongue twister, but you add the cheese of your choice, but it's Colby Jack in Monterey. I still don't know if I'm saying that right. Okay, so we're going to go on and we put it in the oven for 350 degrees. And I let it bake for a good 10-15 minutes. And you see it's nice and creamy on the inside and cheesy. And it has a wonderful crust on the outside. And you can see the seasoning on it. Let me tell you, it is delicious. Very good. See how it just comes out, all that cheese. It's very delicious, and so I wanted to do this because I had made a short on this and someone had asked me to make a video showing how I actually made it. So there you go. Mac and cheese, easy mac and cheese. Thanks for stopping by. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you soon.